What's up, guys? How's it going? So today is the day. We are headed to Kentucky. Gonna be going up there with Justin, Ross, Sandy, and William. Same crew as last year, and we're gonna be getting after them for rifle season, and it's looking like it's gonna be perfect. The weather is pretty warm right now, but tonight is supposed to drop about 30 degrees, so we're gonna be looking at highs in the 40s this weekend, and they really ought to be moving. So let's hunt. This ain't really about kills. This is about the work that it takes to get to the kill. Get out of the shooting house, and you gotta get into the woods. That's worth it right there.
That makes total sense. It's cool too to get to talk to you because you got to hunt so many different places at all different times of the year and just observe things.
I'm driving I'm almost to Michigan. I'm going to be hunting with the good man Ted Nugent tomorrow and Saturday.
Dang.
Wow.
That's pretty awesome.
That's pretty cool. We'll see how that goes.
Sounds like native to Michigan.
I'm just gonna try to get him to join the Spartan Forge team. That's my whole goal.
Yeah, that would be pretty sick if you had Nugent on there.
The destination is on your right. Arrived.
Great. I'm going. What up, bud? Did you bring your gun?
Yep. I hope so.
Yeah. Down that little road, or
They do seem to come around here and then just funnel down.
Now I do want to, maybe tomorrow morning, I do want to hunt that logging road again.
Maybe tomorrow morning?
At some point. Well, it seemed like you already got it covered.
Yeah, you said maybe tomorrow morning.
Or, not tomorrow morning, maybe.
Yeah.
Sunday.
You killed one last year, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I shot at one.
You didn't kill one?
I got lucky. There, hold it.
Well, top of the morning to you fellers. Feeling like Dave Owens with my headlamp here. This is very new to me, hunting in the snow like this. So, I'm gonna try and go to this spot right by the house and see if anything's moving. So, the situation we're in right now, it's about 29 degrees this morning. We've had a big storm front with snow behind it coming from the west, and it's kind of, I think it's part of what's pushed that hurricane to the other side. But we're expecting the snow to quit around 8 o'clock, and so it should be prime time for the deer to move by then. So hopefully we'll be in a good spot. We're gonna go down here to a little creek bottom and try and set up on a little drainage in here. So we'll see what happens. Everything, but you've got all this little patch of shrubs and everything through here, and you can see a whole lot more tracks. I mean, there's tracks everywhere, back and forth through this stuff, and it's just, I mean, they're still sticking to the thick cover even now in the snow. So it really exposes everything and lets you see where they're going to. Makes their tracks show up everywhere. Gives you a lot better perspective of what's going on. So that's pretty cool. We don't often get to do this in Alabama, so it's kind of nice to finally see how this works. jumped up. She acted like she was bedded, because she got up and shook the snow off of her. It's interesting. I guess some of them are choosing to bed down and some of them are choosing to feed. It's really interesting to come through here and see just the way that this snow blankets everything, and you can backtrack them to a bedding area. One of the things about when you're on a short trip like this, you don't really have much time to just sit and wait unless you know you're in a good spot, which this isn't bad, but I'd really like to see some rut sign, but I'm just not seeing it over here, so I may have to try and figure it out at the other place this afternoon. So I think William's heading back to the house, and then we're going to try and figure out what to do next, so we'll see. Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Straight out of these woods. And 3 of them came out originally, 2 big does and a fawn.
Yeah.
They went down to the below the eagle's nest. And they went to the left side and then turned around, went to the right side and went towards the river.
Yeah.
And these 2 were slower, but something was chasing. It wasn't a human, I know that much.
Yep.
They wouldn't have ran like that.
Yeah.
I was hoping it'd be a big buck. Hoping to see a big buck just come crashing out of there.
Alright. So, going back to the place that I was at last year where I got my deer. I'm going to try and see if I can set up on the little drainage and kind of watch the field and the woods a little bit. I'm just sort of scouting / hunting my way back through here to try and get to that spot. So I think that's really what's going to be the best way to do this. So we'll try and get back there and see what we find. buck come up here a little while ago, and it almost looked like he was kind of pushing this whole group of does through. There was one like mama and a yearling that came by right here, kind of at the base of the ridge. I'm pretty sure they were just running from me because I was still getting my stuff set up. And then right after they went through this other group, I could see it running through, and so I was just waiting for something to come this way. And so that little basket rack buck came up here. He was probably 50 yards, something like that. But I think this is a pretty good spot. I'm just kind of sitting here at the top of this little, essentially a bowl, and that's where all the little drainages come together, just on the other side of the field where I killed my deer last year. And so I'm trying to see if maybe they're using this as kind of a funnel to run through. We'll see if anything comes out. This is a really cool way to be able to actually see in the woods. Normally it's a whole lot easier to see in the field, but with the way that the snow is right now, it's so much easier just to see in the woods. So that's going to come in real handy close to dark. So we'll see what happens. did not see anything. I did see that massive rub, and it definitely looks like at some point there's been a big one in here. And we obviously know that there are big ones that come through here. It's just a matter of trying to figure out how to time it right. I think maybe, you know, something with the weather just did the opposite of what we expected it to do. If I was able to hunt like the guys on TV and hunt for 7 days, we could probably figure them out. But maybe we can get something figured out another time. It's definitely been cool being here when the snow happened. At least we did see some deer, so overall it's still a good trip. Well, we finally got William's deer head back, so that was cool to kind of see that full circle. I think that's gonna do it for this trip for Kentucky. May try and come back up here later. I don't know at the moment, but I'm gonna try and get back after them back home, and I'm gonna stay after them. We got a lot of season left, so I think that's gonna do it for this video. If you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one. So thanks for watching.